This is an economy getting stronger. This is nature coexisting with the chemical plant. This is electromechanical welding increasing efficiency by up to 83%. This is Parker. This is a teenager in a safer car. This is a paper mill running at peak efficiency. This is a dryer in a bottling plant using 60% less energy. This is wireless condition monitoring, next-generation electro-hydraulic systems, precision-engineered pneumatics, and industry-leading fluid and gas conveyance technologies. This is Parker in the industrial machinery industry, enabling engineering breakthroughs that lead to a better tomorrow. This is Parker.